Hello friends, my name is Visa. Uh, Here we are going to learn introduction about PHPs. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and please like, share and comment in this video. Okay, basically we are going to learn these four simple fourth thing: introduction of PHP, use of PHP, where the PHP is used, and why should you learn PHP. Okay, and at the end we are going to just run a simple hello world program. Okay, please subscribe my YouTube channel if you are not subscribed the YouTube channel, and please comment in this video. This video is helpful for me. Okay, basically PHP is a like a small open source project which is evaluated in more and more people found out how useful it was. Rasmus Ledford unleashed the first version of PHP way back in 1994. PHP is recursive runners for PHP hypertext preprocessor. PHP is full form is hypertext preprocessor. PHP is a server-side scripting language that is embedded in HTML. It is used to manage dynamic content, database session tracking, even build entire e-commerce sites. Okay. PHP is integrated with a number of popular databases, including MySQL, PostgreSQL, and even PHP have own database MySQL, which is embedded when you are installing XAMPP or maybe WAMP. PHP is a pleasantly GP in its execution, especially when compiled as an Apache module on the Unix side. The MySQL server once started executes even very complex queries with a result sets in record setting time. PHP is syntax is like C language. Okay. Okay, common use of PHP. Okay, PHP performs system function forms from files on a system. It can read, open, read, write, close them. PHP is used to manipulate the files, read, write, close, and etc. PHP can handle forms, gather the data from forms. We are creating the form using HTML, and the data is passed through the body or link get and post method, and the PHP used to get the data and store in database. You can delete, add, modify element within your database through PHP. SS cookies variable set cookies. Using PHP, you can restrict users to access some pages of your website. It can encrypt data. Okay. There are a list of simple uses of PHP which I list here. PHP is open source and free. PHP is easy to learn. PHP is fast, and PHP is well documented. PHP documentation is available on official site, and PHP has a library view of PHP users and rely on that community supports. PHP has well designed frameworks and debugging is simple with PHP. PHP has support for most of web servers. PHP can be used on different operating systems. PHP has support for many databases. Let's make a one hello world program. Okay, first I am opening Visual Studio, and first I have to open the folder. Okay, open folder. Here we are going to the where the XAMPP is installed, XAMPP htdocs, and here my PHP, and at the end I have created YouTube folder, and this is opening. Now I am creating one index.html which is going to print simple hello world program. Okay, php echo hello world. Okay, now we have to run this program. Here we have to run that. Here refresh the thing and YouTube. Okay, there is something mistake. I think index.html not rename the file. Here the file name is php. Okay, now this is running successfully. Okay, you can see this output. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and please comment in this video. This video is helpful for me, and if you want to make another video on anything, then please let me know. I will make that video, and if you think this is helpful, then share in your friends circle. This show your friends circle, and thank you very much. Thank you.